This synthetic winch rope kit uses a 12-strand ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene construction that delivers very high tensile strength for serious recovery work. The rope length and diameter are well matched to common off-road winches, giving confident pulling performance on all-terrain vehicles, utility task vehicles, trucks, and similar rigs. Compared with traditional steel cable, it is noticeably lighter and does not develop sharp burrs, which makes handling safer and less fatiguing during repeated pulls. A thick protective sleeve shields the working section of the line from heat, abrasion, and trail debris, so the rope holds up well in harsh weather and muddy conditions. The fully forged hook, stopper, and reflective pull strap round out the kit, making it easier to connect, control slack, and see the recovery zone in low light. Overall, this setup feels like a thoughtfully designed upgrade for anyone who wants strong, reliable winching performance without the downsides of steel cable.